Looking to boost the Wi-Fi speed on your Xiaomi phone? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share some easy tricks to help speed up your Wi-Fi on any Xiaomi device, whether it's Redmi, Poco, or another Mi phone. Let's get started. Before you start, open Dialer. Type *#*4636# *#*. Tap Wi-Fi information. Tap Wi-Fi status. Tap refresh status. Method 1. Enable developer options. Go to settings and scroll down. Tap on additional settings. Scroll down again and tap on developer options. In the developer options, you will need to change a few settings. Scroll down and find a setting called Enable Wi-Fi Verbose Logging and toggle it on. Then find Wi-Fi Scan Throttling and toggle it on as well. After that, toggle on Tethering Hardware Acceleration. This will make your connection faster. Once this is done, close settings and restart your phone and restart your router. These developer settings help you improve your speed significantly so you'll enjoy a non-stop internet experience. Method 2. Change the DNS server. Changing the DNS based on your network's connectivity can help in fixing slow Wi-Fi issues. So open your settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the forward arrow icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Scroll down and tap on IP settings. Select it to static. Then scroll down and on the DNS1 section, type 8.8.8.8. Once you're done, go to the DNS2 section and type 8.8.4.4. After that, hit the check mark at the top and see if your Wi-Fi is now faster or not. If that did not work, then come back here and this time on the DNS1 section, type 1.1.1.1. Then on the DNS2 section, type 1.0.0.1. Once done, hit the check mark at the top to confirm your action. So with these tricks, you should be able to take your Wi-Fi speed to the next level on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe for more awesome tips like this. See you next time.